In this video, I will show you a short demo of the new dashboard feature of PBGui version 1.1. The first thing, if you want to use the new dashboard, you have to configure the services PB data. Here on my computer, it's already configured. So you have to go to services and then here PB data to details. And here you have to add all the users you want the data from the exchange get fetched. I added all my users. There are some more. I have some spot users. And I have one KuCoin user when I have not added to this user list. This is because at the moment the dashboard doesn't support spot and doesn't support KuCoin. All other exchanges on futures are supported. So this is Binance, BitGet, Bybit, and OKX. Okay, after you have added all the users you need to fetch the data from the exchange, you have to enable PB data here. And you can also take a look at the log file, and there you should see that in the background PB data will download all data from the exchange. Here we see it's the time now, date is correct, and all data get fetched. So here you can take a look if you have some problems, if there's an error in the log file. Okay, next, the dashboard will replace the old live view. This means this live view will no longer be needed, and I will remove them in one of the next versions. Okay, so now I go to dashboard. Here, this is already one of my configured dashboards. But now I will show you how you can configure a new one. So click on this add. Then you have to give the dashboard a name. As example, now I will add a dashboard for my copy trading pro on Bybit. So I will name it Bybit Pro. And I will need about 3 rows and 2 columns. The maximum you can go here is 5. I have limited this at the moment for 10 modules on one dashboard, but you can have multiple dashboards as you see here. So I think I need only 3 rows for now. First, I will display the P&L for the user, for the pro user, copy trading pro, and time period I will take all. And here you have by P&L, you have the option show it as bars, or you can change this to a line graph. It's always the income in dollar here, but I think using bar is nicer. So as we see, my copy trading pro has one day some losses, around $1,600 on one day. But all other day I traded, I'm in the winning. So second, I will add a top dashboard. Here we will see the top coins. Add the Pro here and go for all time. So on this Pro I trade only two symbols, Solana and Doge, so we have only two bar graphs here. So we see there's more income on the Doge than on the Solana trading. That's for now. And here you can select how many top coins you like to see. 10 is okay if you don't trade that much, but if you're trading using Foreigner, you can go with 100 or 200 to see all the traded symbols here. Okay, second, I want to see, let's take the positions here. And here we have to select the same user, show, and here now we see all open positions. And I like to add on the next orders. The order, this 2-1 means it comes from the second row. So this is the first row, the second row, and from the first column. So as we have only one position here, can only select this one. If I add a second position, example here, now, choose user, take the 4. Now we have two possible positions here. So now I can select 3 or 2 here. So for now I want this 2. And now if we click here on the left side of the row, for example on Dodge, then in this tab here, in this view orders, the actual grid of the user, the Pro symbol .UST will get loaded here. Yeah. Okay. Here you can click on refresh to see the actual position. We are now in the edit mode after we save the dashboard. This dashboard type goes away. So on the view, we no longer see the dashboard type. This is only for configuring the modules. Okay, and on the last, I don't want to have this one, so I switch this to income. Or let's say on the left side, we take the balance. Oh no, let it income here and add the pro user here and time, take all time. Maybe on a future version I will add some custom time frames. At the moment these are fixed coded time frames you have. You have today, yesterday, you have this week, you have last week, you have last week to now, you have this month, last month until now, this year, last year until now, or all time. I think I will add more periods or maybe make it configurable in a future version. Here we see the income. On the top is the total income. Then these two traded symbols. Here we see the crash on August. This is this loss here. Okay, and the last I will add the balance. And I will only add the Pro user. So now we have all the information of the Pro user copy trading for me on one dashboard. Next, hit save. And now we have configured one simple dashboard. We see how many dollars are here for trading for this Pro user. We see the actual unrealized profits after loss, and we see the actual total wallet exposure. If it's less than 100 or 1.0, this will be green. Between 100 and 200%, it will go to yellow, and over 200%, it will display it in red. Same here. If unrealized profit after loss is positive, the numbers are green, and if negative, the numbers are red. Same here. Yes. Okay, now I can show you some example of already configured dashboards, or show you one more thing on this income dashboard. You can go to a full screen mode, and then you can go with mouse over to see the date and the income at this date. And you can also enable disable a line by clicking on the line. For example, if I only want to see the Solana, I can remove the total and Dutch, and then we see only Solana. If you double click, I'll get come back again, or if you double click on one line, only this one line is shown. And you can also zoom in to a specific time frame to see more detailed information what happened. And you can auto scale it back so you see the full graph again. And you can also make a snapshot. I never tested it, but if you click on download plot, maybe I have disabled it. We'll check this. Never try it. Yeah, and close full screen is here. This is only on this graph here. You can do it here. If you have much data, you can also go to a full screen here. Then we have a better view of this P&L statistics. Okay, let's show you some other views I have added. For example, all my balances. Maybe on a future version I will add here that you can click here and then see the history of the balance, but at the moment we have only the income. And I have configured one dashboard for all positions that are open at the moment. This is near the same view we have on this old live. And here on the left you can click on the row, and then on the right side orders you will see the current grid with the all open and closes, the current position, and the current price. This is the same as we see here on live. If we go to this Binance BTC view, this is the same view. The old one used the Bokeh chart, and the new one used Plotly. I like the new one more than the old, so I like this new view. Yeah. The time frame at the moment is fixed. It's a 4-hour time frame. Maybe in a future version I will make it configurable, same as it was on live, but for now it's fixed on the 4-hour statistics. And here you can refresh. If you press refresh, you will see that we get the new data from the exchange, so this candle. Yeah, it's a little bit different now. Can do a refresh again. Here we see the price .5 at the end after the refresh. Yeah, it's still the same. As this data comes from the Scrabble and it's not often updated, only the live candles get updated when you press refresh here. It doesn't fetch the new data from the exchange. This runs in the background, so it makes the dashboard much faster as if I will fetch it every time from the exchange. Okay, and then I have created some other dashboards, as example my Binance Forward. Here it's the same. You see all traded symbols with Forward, and we see the income from the Forward until now. And all currently open positions, same. If you click on the position on the right side, the order get displayed. Yeah, okay. Here the same, that top line is the total income starting at 0 at the beginning, to see what coins get traded from the Forager here. And same can, if I want to see only the example, this token USD, can double click on it and then I see only the statistic from token. If I want the token USD and the total, can click on the second one. Yeah, it's a little bit strange, but this is only the token. If I add Sui here, this is only one trade, so it's only a dot. Or Hopper USDT, it's only traded for this time frame. Or double click, so you see double click, so we see all income coming from foreign. Okay, and show you another example. A universal configuration that I use on Binance. It's very slow, but on the August crash, only a down of $4 here. So this universal config running nice for me. Here I don't have added the balance. So if I want to see the balance, I click just on edit of this dashboard and then can add one more row. And here add balance and Uni, Binance Uni, and press on save. You can also move the balance to the top if you like it on the top. Just switch the dashboard models. Okay. And on BitGet as an example, here's my meme coin. And here before I was trading XRP on this account, so we see some We see some data from XRP. So if I go to last month until now it's only the trading with the meme configuration of this symbols here. But I like all, and if I like, I can remove this data directly in the database with the database editor. That's not supported from PBGui at the moment to remove some data you don't want. You need to use a database editor for this. It's a SQLite database, so it's very easy to use this database with other dashboards. So, for example, you can use Metabase connected to this database from PBGui, and you can create your own dashboard how you like it, and use only the PB data for downloading all the informations. Yeah, and for sure you can also, if you have one dashboard you no longer need, for example this test dashboard, if I like to delete them, just click on the trash can here, and then you get the information that this dashboard is deleted. Click on OK. Now the dashboard is gone. And last example, this high roller. This is one testing account for me, doing some crazy stuffs here, trading a lot of symbols. At starting, I had traded 22 symbols, and at the moment I only trade around 8 symbols and 12 forever symbols. So here, this is my forever very big grid that I'm using. So you see a lot of grid step down. And here, if we take a deeper look on this one, can go to full screen, so we see the full income from this account. So I double click on the income, so you see there was up, down, up, down. So at the moment it's around 0 profits from beginning. So we want only take a look at rats, for example. I double click on rats, so I see only the trades with rats. Or if I want Dogecoin, can click here on Dogecoin, and you see the income. Dogecoin is very profitable. Or can also show some not so good traded coins. Tau I always lost. So you can inspect everything with this dashboard. Okay, I think that's all. Make sure that you add PB data to start SR so that it's always run in the background. And next I will add KuCoin and spot trading, and I have some more IDs that can be added to the dashboard. So feel free, using the new version, play around with it and give me some feedback. Thanks for watching and have fun.